In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a textured page background in Microsoft Word. This quick technique gives your document a professional or creative look without complicated formatting, and it takes only a few clicks. Start by opening your document and heading to the Design tab at the top of the ribbon. The Design tab controls the overall look of your pages, things like themes, colors, and backgrounds, so it's the perfect place for this task. Once you're there, find the Page Color button. Click it, and in the menu that appears, choose Fill Effects. That opens a dedicated window where Word groups several background options together. Inside the Fill Effects window, switch to the Texture tab. You'll see a gallery of built-in textures such as parchment, newsprint, canvas, and more. These are pre-designed patterns that sit behind your text, giving the page a distinctive feel while keeping everything readable. Select a texture by clicking on it once. Most versions of Word display a small preview right in the dialog, so you can gauge the overall tone and contrast before you commit. When you're happy with your choice, click OK. Word instantly applies the texture to your page background, and you'll notice it appears as a repeating pattern across the entire page. That repetition is intentional. The texture is tiled, which means a small sample image is duplicated side by side so there's no stretching or distortion. Tiling preserves the sharpness of the pattern and keeps the look consistent across different paper sizes and screen resolutions. As you work, keep readability in mind. If your body text doesn't stand out enough against a busier texture, consider switching to a lighter, more subtle option like parchment, or choose a darker font color for stronger contrast. You can open the Fill Effects window again at any time and try a different texture until the balance feels right for your content. One more note about viewing. The most accurate preview appears in print layout and in the final print. Some simplified editing views are designed for speed and may not emphasize backgrounds, so if the texture looks subtle there, that's expected behavior. And that's all it takes. By using Design, Page Color, Fill Effects, and the Texture tab, you can transform a plain page into something that looks intentional and polished in moments. Have fun experimenting to match the mood of your document, from understated paper textures to bold graphic finishes.